Welcome to 18622 West VOGEL Avenue, located in the beautiful Waddell, Arizona. This home features 5 bedrooms, a versatile den, and 3.5 bathrooms, all meticulously maintained by the original owner. Equipped with top-notch security systems and professionally installed child safety locks, this home prioritizes your safety and peace of mind. On the main floor, you'll find a private suite, perfect for guest or multi-generational living. This suite offers privacy and convenience with its own bathroom, making it an ideal retreat. Upon entry, you're greeted with elegant 9-foot vaulted ceilings in the formal dining and living room. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, a gorgeous cherry wood cabinetry, and a convenient walk-in pantry. The breakfast bar opens up to a beautifully landscaped backyard that also includes mountain views. The green plants and citrus trees provide for ample shade and privacy. Following the kitchen, you're met with the family room. This open concept is great for gatherings. As we make our way to the garage, we're met with the laundry room. This washer and dryer is included. And then we have the downstairs half bath. Now we enter the 2-car garage that has custom durable sealed flooring. Out front, we also have 4 slab parking spaces available, making a total of 6 cars able to park here at once. Making our way to the second level, we have the primary bedroom, 3 additional bedrooms, and the den/loft that could be converted into a bedroom. This loft gives you the freedom to customize the home to fit your needs. Next, we enter the large primary suite. There's plenty of comfort here, provided that there's dual sinks, an oversized 5-foot shower, and separate garden tub with plenty of natural light. This home features energy-efficient dual-pane low-E windows, new solar screens, custom blinds, and ceiling fans that significantly reduce the cost of utilities. This home is a storage lover's dream, featuring multiple large closets and storage spaces. Each bedroom has spacious closets and additional storage found in the hallways and under the stairs. Whether you need space for seasonal items, sports equipment, or household essentials, there's a dedicated space for everything. This home is nestled on a quiet street with stunning mountain views. It's also just 1 mile from the 30,000-acre White Tank Mountain Regional Park. Enjoy the convenience of local amenities, including schools, playgrounds, shopping, dining, and more, all within an easy reach. Come see this extraordinary home at 18622 West VOGEL Avenue in Waddell, Arizona. Schedule your tour and come visit today.